Hey future entrepreneurs, do you dream of building your own business? Maybe you have heard about e-commerce and are wondering if it's right for you. Well, today you are in the right place. Whether you're just starting out or thinking about it, this video will walk you through how to launch a successful e-commerce business in 2024 without breaking the bank. Forget about expensive offices and huge inventories. Today I'm going to break down how you can start your e-commerce business from scratch with minimal investment. We'll discuss everything from choosing a niche to scaling your business. Ready to take the leap? Let's get started. First, plan your business and choose your niche. First up is the most crucial step, picking your niche. What's a niche? It's the category or type of product you will sell. It could be anything from apparel, home decor, gadgets, or even custom-made products. But here's the key. Pick something that excites you or something with easy access to local manufacturers. Now, the pro tip for this is find a manufacturer near you that produces the products you're interested in selling. Maybe they make bags, shoes, or even t-shirts. Having a nearby supplier will make your life so much easier and cut costs. Step 2. Create your e-commerce website. Now, onto your website. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Creating an e-commerce website is simpler than you think. You can use platforms like Shopify or WordPress. Even if you don't have an inventory yet, having a website adds legitimacy to your business. Consider it a home for your brand. Even if you're also selling on platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, your website is your long-term asset. Now, step 3. Register your business and get the necessary documents. Okay, legal stuff might not be the most exciting part, but it's essential. You'll need a PAN card and GST certificate for selling in India. And don't forget to open a current account, not a savings account. Using a savings account for businesses transactions could get you into trouble with the tax department. Now, further, step 4. Start selling on marketplaces. Amazon, Flipkart. Now, while your website is under construction, start selling on established marketplaces like Amazon or Flipkart. You don't need to wait until you have your own platform. Simply register as a seller, list your products, and you're in business. Make sure you have your PAN card and GST certificate handy for this step. Now, here's an important tip. You can start by selling unbranded or generic products. Many successful sellers started this way and then gradually built their brand. Step 5. Combine your website and marketplace strategy. Here's a smart move. Use a dual strategy. Your products should be listed on both your website and marketplaces. After each sales on Amazon or Flipkart, send your customers a thank you card with your website URL. This way, the next time they shop, they might come directly to your site, helping you avoid marketplace commissions. Now, step 6. Market your business and products. Marketing is the fuel that will drive your e-commerce engine. First, make sure your website and product listings are SEO optimized so customers can find you easily. Second, leverage social media and run ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or even Google. Create videos or posts around your products to boost visibility. Not sure how to do this? Check out the playlist I have linked in the description that covers everything from SEO to digital marketing. Step 7. Scaling your business. Once you start seeing success, it's time to scale up. Here's where things like ads and promotions come in. You can even partner with warehouses in different states to cut down shipping times and costs. But remember, start small, move step by step. And that's it. Those are the 7 steps you need to follow to start your e-commerce business in 2024. If you follow these steps, I'm confident you will be able to set up a profitable business with minimal investment. So, if you want to learn more about this in even more depth, we have a detailed course at the Freedom app called e-commerce business. Earn up to 2 lakh rupees per month. You can get this course at just rupees 399 under special offers. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Good luck with your e-commerce journey.